Hello everyone. Welcome to MIT ADT podcast. Today we have Head of the Department from MITCOM, Dr. Archana Singh from Hospital and Healthcare Department. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, in MITCOM, you people are dealing with health and hospital management. So
Yes.
what makes a difference in MBA?
So it's MBA in Hospital and Healthcare Management,
Okay.
and it's a 2 years program, wherein these 2 years, 3 semesters, student have to study related to management as well as an amalgamation of hospital and healthcare along with management subjects are there. So when these students are in the 4th semester, they need to go to the industry, and in the industry, they have an hands-on experience along with the summer internship project also, which is for 2 months. And in the final semester, for 3.5 to 4 months, they can go ahead and study and do practicals. Whatever they have learned in the 3 semester, they can do it over there and experience what is the hands-on experience.
Okay.
In the hospitals or pharmaceutical, anything.
Okay, nice. That means you provide a specific support to the students for the
Yes.
placements?
Yes, absolutely. So for some, we have a placement, centralized placement, who looks into it, as well as we as a head of the department, we also have networking with the different hospitals, not only in Pune, but also in Maharashtra and globally also. Right now, we are trying to go ahead and meet more, network more people at the global end. And we are trying to talk to these people. And this year, almost all of the students have got placed as well as they have got the internship.
Okay. Ma'am, any specific organization which you are having some tie-ups or an interaction?
Yes.
So, any of the specific organizations?
So we have organizations like Sahyadri Hospital, who has we've got a MOU signed with them, as well as we have Manipal Hospital, where last year most of our students, Vishwaraj, our own Vishwaraj Hospital is there, and in Vishwaraj Hospital, so these students get to learn a lot from the Vishwaraj Hospital also. So these are the right now we have tied up because we have lesser amount of students, but we are looking forward for getting more and more students, because we have now made the whole model of how this healthcare and hospital management will run throughout, and that's how we are looking that this year we'll have more admissions, and then we will go
Correct.
globally.
Because MBA is thought to be like HR, finance, that's it. But this
Yes.
one is coming something different.
Yeah.
And ma'am, how the students are getting admitted over here? Like, what is
Okay.
the process?
Okay, so for that they need to give either Maharashtra CET, and once if they have not given any of these entrance exams, then they can give para CET, and they can come along with the scorecard, and we take our own interviews and we see if they are what is their what they have done, what are their qualification, do they suit for this course or not. So we counsel them, and according to that counseling we take the admissions of these students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being with us. So here is the end of today's podcast. Thank you, everyone.